Hi everyone, my name is Krishi and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about leading a happy lifestyle. So, it's 2022. Oh my god, saying this makes it feel so surreal. So, in 2020 and 21, the entire period went in COVID, and all of us were like, 2022 is going to be the year we'll achieve our dreams, and 2022 again we see that COVID has hit us. But please don't let this affect you mentally. We can still achieve our goals, we can still move forward to our dream life. So this video is going to be about how I've set my intention for 2022 and how I plan to achieve it. So please keep on watching. So there are 6 steps in total to achieving your goals, and we'll go one by one, speak in detail about each step. So the number 1 step is to write down all your goals that you have for your life. This could be anything ranging from having your own house, having a certain X amount of money in your bank account, leading a very healthy lifestyle. This could range from anything. Just take a pen and a notebook and list down all your goals. Step number 2 is look at your goals. Imagine yourself achieving those goals and maybe take top 3 to 5 goals that you actually want to achieve in your life. And once you have those goals, you think in terms of 2022. What do you need to do in 2022 for you to achieve that goal? So once you've listed down your top 5 goals, you create a theme for 2022. So creating a theme means, for example, if your goal is to lead a very healthy lifestyle, so theme for 2022 can be health and wellness, and all your goals, your entire year could revolve around that theme wherein you make those healthy choices. So when you create a theme for the year, it becomes easier to achieve your goals because you know that, okay, my theme is health and wellness, and whatever decisions am I making for the year, are they meeting that theme? Is it within the theme? And hence the decision making becomes much more easier. Step number 3 is the most important step. It is to break down your goals. Now you have your main goal in mind. For example, your goal is to say have X amount of money in your bank account. Now that is your main goal. So you need to break it down. For example, in 2022, to achieve that main goal, how much amount of money do I need to have in my bank account at the end of 2022? So that will be your goal for 2022. Now, after creating a goal for the entire year, you need to break it down into monthly goals. Again, going with the same logic. For example, you need to have 10 lakh rupees in your bank account at the end of 2022. How much each month you need to save or earn in order to reach that goal. So once you break down your goals, it becomes easier for you to take decisions. And for example, say you have a weekly saving budget of 10,000 rupees to achieve your 2022 goal. What do you need to do in order to achieve that saving amount of 10,000 rupees? So break down your goals into various timelines so that it becomes easier for you to think of things that you can do in order to achieve that goal. Next step number 4. This is though more important than step number 3 also, because this is thinking on how will you achieve your goal. So आपने बोल दिया कि ये महीने you want to save 10,000 rupees, but how are you going to save 10,000 rupees? So you need to list down all the ways. There could be multiple ways of saving 10,000 rupees, right? You could spend less, you could try to earn more, you could do better at your job, you could improve your skills, you could start a side business. So list down all the ways that you can do, things you can do in order to achieve that goal. And then you can maybe pick out few things that you can start doing from day 1, from today itself, in order to start achieving your goal. So list down all the ways and start doing it, because this until and unless likhne se nahi hoga, until and unless you start doing it, you start executing, you'll not reach closer to your goal. And the final step number 5, is to review yourself. आपने गोल बना लिया, आपने एग्जीक्यूट कर लिया, then just go through your day that you decided that I am going to do this and this in order to achieve my goal. review at the end of the day. Did you do it correctly? Were you entirely focused? And I'll say not only daily reviews, have weekly reviews, have also monthly reviews. So in order to set goals and intentions for the next week or for the next month on what went wrong, how can you do it better, what are your fresh goals for the month, etc. So reviewing process is very important because it will help you understand that where you're going wrong, where do you need to put more effort in order to achieve your goals the way you want them to achieve, and finally feel satisfied or proud of yourself that I have achieved this. So these were the 5 steps that you need to do in order to achieve your goals. क्या क्या थे? Number 1, list down all your goals, list down your life goals that you want to achieve. Number 2, revisit your goals and create a theme for 2022. Number 3, break down your goals into yearly goals, monthly goals, weekly goals, and even daily goals. Number 4, execution part, करो, do it, लिखने से नहीं होगा. And number 5, review yourself. Now I would like to show how I plan. So there are few things that I use in order to plan. So what you can do, ये सब जो मैंने बोला, you can either take a plain notebook and start doing it, but I'm a little of a stationery freak, so I like to have planners and notebooks with me in order to plan things. So because it looks cute, it looks fancy, so and to be very honest, it also gives me the motivation to come to my journal every day and look at it and plan, make my to-do list, etc. So this is the planner by Simba Lifestyle. This is the 2022 planner that I am currently using to manifest my dream life, to make my goals, make my to-do list, track myself, etc. So there are many things in this journal. You can go to Mridul's, who's the owner of Simba Lifestyle, Mridul's YouTube channel. She has explained this very well. But I'm just going to show the parts that I feel will help me to achieve my goals for the 5 steps that I discussed with you. So the number 1 page that is help is the vision board page. And this is my vision board, wherein I've stuck pictures of everything that I want to achieve in life, and it also includes my favorite celebrities and all of that, because I am very much inspired by what they have achieved in their life. So I put that in my vision board, because looking at it will, the thing that making a list of all the goals that I want to achieve in life, this is a mixture of both all the goals that I want to achieve in life and 2022 goals. So this is the page that I have used. Apart from that, another page that I use a lot is the monthly calendar spread, because this helps me to get a glance at the calendar month, and it also has spaces, so I can write what is scheduled for that day, something important. For example, now that I've started my YouTube channel, there are important things like which day do I need to shoot, which day do I need to upload, what upload do I need to have on which day. So that is something that I put in here. Then the next part that I use obviously is the daily spread, wherein I make my to-do list, and believe me, it's such a thing wherein when you tick all the things off your to-do list at the end of the day, it gives so much relaxation and you feel so proud. So this is the page that I use. And one more very important page that is the habit tracker. So I told you, right, you have created, so reviewing is very important. So for example, my goal is working out. So now out of all the days, how many days did I actually work out? So this will, at the end of the month, I'll know कि अच्छा मैंने तो इतना ही दिन workout किया. I wanted to work out every day, but I worked out only 10 days, and I felt कि अच्छा मैंने तो बहुत दिन workout किया. But when I look at it, I know कि no, I've not worked out so many days. I need to work on it. So and there's also a monthly check-in page wherein what went wrong and all of that I discussed is included here. So this is how I use the Simba Lifestyle planner. There are a few other things that I use. So apart from this planner, I have used these kind of notebooks. Again, this is from Simba Lifestyle. These notebooks help me dive deeper into things that I want to do. For example, planner में तो मैंने लिख लिया shoot a YouTube video, but what video, the content of that video, etc. उतना जगह है नहीं planner में लिखने के लिए. So then I use these notebooks to delve deeper, and this is not a necessity for everyone because your to-do list may be very straightforward, but if you have to maybe plan something in detail, you can use notebooks like this as well. So this is how I plan, and this is how I would keep a check on myself whether I'm moving forward in life or not. So these were the tips and tricks. However, there's one thing that I would want to discuss. So everybody of us, whenever a new year begins, all of us feel so pressurized to put in our new year resolutions, and on 1st January all of us will be like, let us achieve our goals, we'll do everything on 1st January, 2nd January, and then dhile pad jate hain. And then that gives us a feeling of failure कि I've not achieved my new year resolution, I've already broken it. So please don't feel like that. 1st January या 2nd January is not a magical date कि अच्छा उस दिन plan किया so उस दिन कर लिया तो हो गया. नहीं, you can start this video is going up on a Sunday. You can just sit down with your notebook, you can start planning, and tomorrow is a Monday. You can actually start doing it from tomorrow or whenever, because doing something is better than doing nothing at all. Don't be so pressurized कि new year hai, I did not do it, etc. Please don't think all of that. Just start, and believe me, once you start doing it, you'll feel the feeling that you get when you have achieved your to-do list at the end of the day. Believe me, it's very rewarding. So I would just tell you that do it, and let me know in the comments down below whether you found this video helpful, or there was anything else that you'd have liked me to change about it, etc. I'm also learning. This is one of my goal actually, to be consistent on YouTube, start and keep uploading content on YouTube. So please help me there. I would request you all to like, share and comment on this video. I would also request you to please subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.